Hi, good morning all of you. Today I am discussing about electrical abbreviations. The drawing contains a list of abbreviations and its useful forms which are commonly used as electrical and electronics in engineering. Now going to the A for ampere, AC for air conditioning, AC also known as the alternating current, AHU air handling unit, AL aluminium, ALUM aluminium. See that. And now AWG American wire gauge, BA battery, and also C and conduit, CAP capacitor, CB circuit breaker, CCTV closed circuit television, CHW chilled water and CHWP chilled water pump, CKT circuit, CLP current limiting fuse, dB decibel also known as a distribution board, DC direct current, DWG drawing, DX direct expansion, C you can pause and see, and those are all things in the FIG figure, and FLA full load amps, FM frequency modulation. And now going to the HVAC heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, IC interrupting capacity, JB junction box, kW kilowatt, kVA kilowatt ampere, kVR kilowatt volt ampere reactor, and a length long LED light emitting diode, LM limiter manual, MCB main circuit breaker, MCCB motor control center, MCCB molded case circuit breaker, MCB motor circuit production, MDF main distribution frame, MDP main distribution panel board, MEC mechanical, MFG manufacturing. Now PVC polyvinyl, NEC National Electrical Code, NEMA National Electrical Manufacturing Association, PF power factor, PIV. Now SCCR short circuit current rating. See that all things and note down your notebook all those things. Tasted total harmonic head, ultra high frequency UHF. Now going to the light pictures. It is the symbol of light on ceiling. Now this is a wall light and is exit light, and exit light is exit light with directional arrow, exit light with the directional arrow wall, emergency light. Now switches, S1 single pole, double pole, triple pole, 4 pole switches, and lightning contactor panels. Next, power equipment, single phase, 3 phase, disconnector, manual motor. The combination of this is the symbol of transformer. This miscellaneous and communication, intercom, call bell switch and bell, buzzer, microphone outlet, speaker volume, wall mounted speaker, ceiling mounted speaker, horn packing, and technology, telephone outlet, wall phone outlet, security. Next, fire alarm, fire alarm control panel, fire alarm animator. This is all this thing. This is the main distribution board. See once again, this is the main distribution board. Now this is a capacitor bank panel. This is a capacitor bank panel. This is the main distribution panel, and the last one is submain distribution board. I will discuss about briefly on dBs. Just I am seeing the examples. How is it seeing like that? Thank you.